Welcome to the step-by-step guide video of Green Jeeva's B2B e-commerce platform. Learn how to log in or register as a buyer, and place your orders effortlessly. Visit Green Jeeva LLC's website and click on the login button to begin the ordering process. Click register as buyer if you are new to the Green Jeeva website. Click to enter your work email address. Click and proceed to the next step, that is provide your company information. Enter your first and last name. The company name and country details will be automatically retrieved from your email address. Enter your zip code. Enter the name of your state. Enter the name of your city. Click on street address field and enter your address details. Provide your contact information. Click to submit your registration details. Click to create a new password. Enter the password again to confirm it. Click to set your password. Your account will be registered on the platform, and you will be directed to the My Dashboard section. Enter your username if your work email ID is already registered with Green Jeeva. Enter your password to begin the login process. If you are unable to recall your current password, select the Forgot Password option to initiate a reset. Click to enter your registered email address. Click the Submit button, and you will receive an email with instructions to reset your account. Select the Reset Password option in your email, and you will be directed to a page where you can set up your new password. Start the process by clicking on the password field. Enter the password again to confirm. Click to set your password. After resetting your account, you will be directed to the My Dashboard section. Navigate to the Products section. Select any product you would like to order. Here you can view the price per kilogram, minimum order quantity, and select your desired quantity. Click here to access all the necessary product documents, including company-specific, facility-specific, product-specific, and batch-specific documents. Click the Download button to view any product document you want. You can also download all product documents as a zip file in a single click. Click OK after the documents are downloaded successfully. Click here if you want to receive all these documents via your email. Click here if you want to request a sample first. We offer 20-gram sample for free. Click Yes to confirm your free sample order request. You will be directed to your shopping cart, where you can find the order list for your sample as well as other products. Proceed to the checkout page. A pop-up will appear for you to provide the necessary information to order a sample. Click to enter your shipping account. Click to enter your shipping account number. Click here if your billing address is same as your shipping address. Submit the sample request. After submitting your sample request, you will be directed here, where you can review or change your addresses, view the order summary, and choose shipping account details for your bulk product order. Click here if your billing address is same as your shipping address. Choose your shipping method. You can also select your own shipping account here. Click to place the order. The final amount of your order will be displayed here. Select Pay. This is the payment gateway. Enter the required information and complete your order placement. Thank you for using this guide video. From setting your password to placing orders, you can follow these steps to complete your order directly on our website.